Hey there, Virgo. This is for Virgo rising. We're going to talk about how the transiting nodes in Aries and Libra are affecting you. This is a pretty important time. We're going to talk about how you can use the best energies for this time for your own growth and your own expansion. So I'm going to share my screen. We're going to actually look at my chart as an example. So this is my chart here on astro.com. Hopefully you're a little familiar with astro.com. And we are looking, I have Virgo rising, so that's why we're using my chart. And you can see here that I have Libra on the cusp of the second house, Virgo rising on the left, and on the right is Pisces. Now we also have transiting Saturn. All these green planets are the outer planets transiting now. And transiting Saturn is in Pisces and transiting Neptune is in Pisces. And that's going to be happening for us through the whole 18-month cycle where the nodes are also in Aries and Libra. So the nodes look like this little horseshoe. There's the North Node here in Aries, and we also have transiting Chiron in Aries. And then you can't see the South Node, but it is exactly opposite. So it looks like it's about 26 degrees over here in Libra. And what I wanted to share with you today is that Libra rules the seventh house. And the seventh house is an angular house, meaning your ascendant descendant line separates the sixth house to the seventh house. And this is where we move from our own personal life into experiences with others, where we share with others. The seventh house, of course, rules relationships, which can mean marriage, professional relationships, close friends. Usually there's a contract involved, which marriage does have a contract. And business partners often have a contract. But I have also found that relationships of all kinds sometimes show up in this house. And also keep in mind, it can be the relationship you have with yourself and the relationship you have with spirit. Now, the South Node is helping us to let go of what cannot move forward in our ascension process, in our spiritual growth process. So, Libra in the second house is going to be stimulated to release the belief systems or the habits that we have when we're dealing in relationships that aren't really serving us, that aren't really maybe also maybe not serving the other. It kind of depends on the dynamics of who you are and your personality. So for example, if you have really strong Aries, if that's maybe your Mars is very well placed in your chart and you have a lot of that gumption, maybe if you even have a sun in Aries, you will be very strong in that Aries energy. And so Libra is going to be asking you, the South Node in Libra is going to be asking you just to sort of readjust. It's like changing your GPS and rerouting to a, if you turn on the wrong road, it reroutes and gets you back to the destination. Your destination is your highest spiritual potential in this lifetime. And so not everything that happens to us is bad. It just depends on your perception of it. And if you can see that it's all for your highest good, then that it will be a gift for you. And I just wanted to point it out. I'm trying to keep these short. Like and subscribe, follow if you can. That if you have the Virgo ascendant and Pisces descendant, the fact that you're having Saturn in Pisces is going to be about us working through some authority pictures, authority triggers, where other people push us in relationship and they take authority, or where we don't take authority where we should. Or perhaps if we are more of the authority, can we adjust and change that to be a little bit more compassionate, more thoughtful? So I just wanted to point out that that is what's going on for you in the next 18 months. That'll be all through 2024 and partially through 2025. So be on the lookout for all of those changes. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'd love to chat with you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Shit.